What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. Okay, so today we are going to draw Super Saiyan 2 Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. As you can see, I started by drawing a perfect square. Each side is 4 centimeters. And without further ado, we are going to start by drawing Gohan's wrinkles between the eyes. Next we are going to draw his eyebrows by using 3 lines. And to create the eye, we'll draw 2 diagonals and a curve underneath. Next we'll draw the iris. The bumps above the eyes. And the famous cheek marks by using 2 diagonals and 2 to 3 curves. Next we're going to draw the nose and the mouth, but I fixed the nose and the mouth later on, so you can just skip this part. We'll continue by drawing Gohan's face using 5 lines. We'll add his hairline and his sideburns. Next we are going to draw Gohan's one spike from the front. It goes up till the chin. And we forgot to draw the ears, so we're going to draw them right now. We'll start by drawing the shape of the ears, and only then we are going to add the details inside. Awesome, next we are going to draw this guideline, and this guideline will help us draw the rest of the spikes without worrying about keeping the right proportions and the right symmetry. So as you can see, I'm just drawing the rest of the spikes. I'm doing that by using 2 to 5 lines. Next, we'll get rid of all the guidelines. And we're going to add some lines in the direction of the spike just to give it more detail. Awesome, and now's the part where I fix the nose and the mouth. Just gonna draw it a bit smaller. We're gonna adjust the jaw a bit. And I think it looks a bit cross-eyed, so I'm gonna fix the iris, the placement of it, closer to the center. Awesome, now it looks much better and we can continue. So as you guys can see, I make mistakes all the time, but as long as you fix them, you're all good. So next we're going to draw the torso. We'll start by drawing 2 lines to create the neck, then 2 lines for the trap muscles. Next we're going to draw this guideline to mark the color of SSJ, and we'll refine it of course. We'll use another guideline to mark the chest area and then draw the chest. So as you guys can see, those guidelines really help us maintain the right symmetry and it saves you a lot of time. We'll add some creases to the gi of course. Some more adjustments. And then we're going to draw Gohan's neck muscles, his trachea. Awesome, so now we are going to take the black color pencil, although you can use a black pen as well. And now it's time for the inking process, so we are just gonna go all over the lines, but make sure to sharpen the pencil before, so we'll get smooth, clean, crisp and shiny lines. And of course, for the inking process, make sure to rotate the page so you can have as much comfort as possible going with your natural hand movement. So once we are done with that, we'll start the shading process. First, we're going to mark all the shaded areas in a process that is called cell shading. For this drawing, I want the light source to come from both sides. Let's say he has an aura, which means that the center will be darker than left or right. Once we are done with that, we are going to grab the pencil closer to the tip and we'll shade all the darkest areas. The reason I'm holding it closer to the tip is because it enables me to put more pressure on the pencil and therefore get more lead and therefore too get a darker tone. Next, we are going to hold the pencil at the center. We're still gonna apply pressure, but not as hard as before, because now we want to get a brighter tone of gray, and we'll call it the mid-tone. Lastly, we are going to hold the pencil closer to the eraser. That way we can apply even less pressure than before and get a very bright tone of gray, which we'll call the brightest tone. Awesome, so this is the result we want to get. We're going to do the same process for the hair and for the gi. Next, to make the drawing a bit more interesting, you can grab a green-blue pencil, color in the eyes, and then we are going to take the black color pencil again, drawing some bruises all over Gohan, just like he was when he fought against Cell. And to finish up, we'll do the same with a red color pencil, adding some blood to the face and to the body. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw Super Saiyan 2 Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. Please let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and if you're new, subscribe. I upload new videos every weekend, 4 new tutorials every weekend. That's it for today. Keep being awesome as always, and I will see you on the next video very soon. Peace!